Hi there, Graham again from London Stone Company. I'm here finally talking to this fella here, Will Treble of Wilmoore Allstone. So we're here at the home show. Will, tell us first of all about why you're here, what you're doing.
We're collaborating with Bruin Limestone. We're trying to educate people about the Bruin Limestone, Mount Gambier Limestone, how it's used, the thermal properties behind that and the affordability. And then we're collaborating obviously with Wilmoore Allstone, our company, which we help construct and build most of these homes. Yeah.
Excellent. So I first come across Will probably, I think it was about 2 years ago. Will gave me a call and asked me to come down and see him with some samples of our Portland stone. So I popped down to him on the Mornington Peninsula and we had a bit of a chat, and this was in regard to quite a big project in Melbourne. Anyway, it's been quite a long road till we've actually got to the point where now that project is going ahead. So we actually met up earlier on this year in London. We took a train down to the Portland Stone Mines. So they're owned by Albion Stone. So they're the guys that I do my importing from. So we went down to the mine, spent some time down there with both Will here and the architect on the project, and that's Paul Conrad. And the following day, we went into central London, had a look at a few of the buildings around, just so they could actually see some of the Portland stone on the buildings in London. So what I'd really like to ask you, Will, is what were your impressions on the trip to London and to the mine, and what sort of benefits did you get out of it, do you think?
Yeah, look, it was a fantastic experience. We obviously flew to England, caught up with yourself, and then caught up with Albion Stone, Michael.
Yep,
Michael. And then
Michael
we went
Polney, yep.
And then he showed us through the quarry, which is all quarried underground. So they cut massive tunnels underground so they don't disturb all the land, the heritage, and it was an amazing experience.
Yeah.
Like the machinery they use to quarry.
So originally, I'll just stop you there for 1 sec. So they call it a mining process now, whereas previously it was quarrying, so it was all above ground. Probably about 10 years ago, I think it was, they switched over to mining underground so they could actually get more of the Portland stone out of the ground. Yeah, so carry on, I just interrupted you.
That's fine. So yeah, just the type of machinery they use, totally different to what we use here in Australia. But yeah, they took us through London the next day, showed us all the Buckingham Palace that it was built out of, Paul's Cathedral, I think, as well.
Paul's Cathedral,
which was amazing. So we spent the whole day just walking around London, having a look at the buildings. And we're just in awe. It was amazing.
Yeah. So do you think you would say that really gave you confidence in their ability to supply the stone that you want for the project that you're doing?
100%. Very professional company right from the start. Any questions I had, any queries, answered everything. Yeah, really recommend. If you can afford them, I really recommend them because it's an amazing stone.
Yeah, obviously there is a big price point now. The product that Will's doing here is not in that same high price bracket, but obviously it has its place, and I'm sure that you'll get a lot more sales of your product than I will of mine, but they are obviously different markets.
Yes.
But so you would recommend to anyone that has a project, and a sizable project, that it's worth them going to London and taking a look at the quarry?
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
That operation?
Yep. Yeah, like I said, the whole experience was amazing. If you're looking to build it out of Portland limestone and have that sort of feel and ambience of the stone, I really recommend it.
Fantastic. Well, it's been good catching up with you, Will. Thanks a lot for your time.
Graham.
And all the best for the rest of the show.